Good morning and welcome to Ebona Day 103.5 FM. Today, the 8th day of March 2024. Today is a Friday and the time is 2 minutes past the hour of 7. It's time for newspaper headlines on Ebona Day 103.5 FM. This morning, we are going to take you through the news, making the headlines on Nigerian newspapers. But before we do that, let's go for a short break. When we come back, we'll continue on the stories making the headlines. Meanwhile, we apologize for the break in transmission this morning, but stick around with Ebonade 103.5 FM as we are back to serve you better.
Do you know that you have the right to quality broadcasting? The National Broadcasting Commission says any person, group of persons, or organization aggrieved by the content of a broadcast or the conduct of a broadcast station may lodge a complaint to the station and all right to the Director General, National Broadcasting Commission, number 20, Ibrahim Taiwo Street, Asokoro, Abuja, or send a mail via info@nbc.gov.ng. Please ensure that the complaint includes name of the broadcast station, title of the program, date and time of broadcast, and essence of the complaint. Also, remember to include your name, address, telephone number, email, and append your signature. Note that the complaint must reach the NBC within 14 days of the queried broadcast. NBC, your right to quality broadcasting.
You're welcome back to newspaper headlines on Ebona Day 103.5 FM. This morning, we are going to take you through the news, making the headlines on The Guardian, Leadership, Vanguard, Daily Post, Punch, The Nation, This Day, The Sun, and if time permits, we're also going to take a look at Nigerian Tribune. Remember that you can become part of the conversation by sending your reactions via SMS or WhatsApp messages on 080 96661035. You can as well join us on Facebook as we are live at Ebonade 103.5 FM. Drop your comment on the comment section of the live video. You can equally stream us online via mixlr.com/gistfm. I am Martin. Let's get started with the Guardian newspaper this morning. Tinubu suspends Rural Electrification Agency boss, 3 others. Reps, artificial intelligence, condemn kidnap epidemic as bandits abduct dozens of Kaduna school pupils. Labour divided on minimum wage as NLC slashes demand to 794,000 naira. TUC opts for 447,000 naira. Marketers groan as a dollarization of oil sector inflicts extra 55.8 billion naira pain. Federal government considers a pay-per-view as a new pay TV launches. Nigerian women tax government on inclusion, gender balance beyond yearly promises. Nigeria records 583 Lassa fever cases, 108 deaths. Nigerian border to reopen soon as 3 nations move against terrorists. ACF plays Ohaneze over calls on Gowon to apologize for civil war against Igbo. Court admits evidence in $6.2 million alleged fraud suit against Emefiele. Mufwang flays killing of teen, 35 cows in Bakin Ladi, tax security operatives. Tinubu orders 93% subsidy on agriculture inputs. Matawale warns coup mongers, urges DIA to go after them. Bubara offers to give up office in exchange for peace. Amendment of National Drug Law Enforcement Agency Act to boost drug war, says Mawa. Family raises alarm over disappearance of Rivers man after land tussle. Tinubu pledges support for research, development. Commissioner of Police summons police officer for assaulting Lagos lawyer. Women urge Sanwo-Olu to restore safe abortion laws. No decision yet on zoning of Ondo governorship, PDP says. 60% of Nigerians are financially allegedly beating wife to death in Rivers. Federal government appeals for CAM, pledges to pay scholars soon. Broadcast fines, MBC challenges court's refusal to reverse judgment. IWD, Orelope, Adefure, seeks more empowerment for women. Father of son missing in Benue police custody cries out for justice. 260,000 naira out of 1.98 million UTME candidates write mock exam. Victims of Yaba Lagos fire incident get 2.5 million naira reprieve. Lagos tax officers on enforcement of styrofoam ban. Cleaner, environment. Sanwo-Olu, Okoya, Fashola among 40 most influential people. Lagos government targets inclusivity through new model city plan. Slain DPO, Fubara lifts suspension on monarch. Women in Nigerian politics on steady decline. European Union others lament. IWD, HIDA, urges Tinubu National Assembly to support women farmers. IWD, International Women's Day. HEDA urges Tinubu National Assembly to support women farmers. Uzodinma to announce new commissioners. Others. How Bauchi, Adamawa, other women promote maternal infant health.